Rooster. I was here with RealAgriculture.com. I am here today at Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa, and I have here with me Travis Lamb, who is with Titan. How's it going today?
It's going well. It's a beautiful day here at Farm Progress in Boone, Iowa. The weather has been excellent for the last 2 days, so just really good time.
Absolutely. Okay, so behind you here, you guys are showcasing today the UFT, which is the Ultimate Flex technology. Tell me what that is.
That is correct. And what we basically tried to do with this tire is, instead of having, the 3 different basic styles, the standard, the IF, and the VF, we've basically taken all that technology and wrapped it up into one tire. The UFT is capable of running that higher air pressure, up to 70 psi that you would put in a standard application, as well as an IF if you had a sprayer that was running an IF that carried 20% more load at the conventional pressure, or the VF, which is 40%. So yeah, it's a new design. It's going to allow us to basically help anyone in the field that is looking for a specific tire, and instead of having to constantly look for their specific, we cover all the bases.
Now, another thing that you guys are highlighting with UFT is the reduction in soil compaction. Do you want to elaborate on that?
So yeah, like I said, we've built this tire so that we can run it at that 40% lower air pressure, the same as you do with a VF style tire. So you do get that. If needed, you can get a 40% drop in air pressure at the standard load.
So right now you guys are showcasing this on a sprayer. Is that all it's available on right now?
Currently, right now, that is the main focus of the tire, is to go into the sprayer market, and it's designed to go on, once again, any kind of sprayer currently in the field with those specific sizes.
Okay, and how can producers get their hands on this?
So that's the great thing about this show, is they are debuted today. They are just now hitting the market. We're hoping to see tires go out this beginning of this year or next year. So if you're wanting a set, go call your local Titan tire dealer and get you a set on order.
And will they be available across North America?
Yes, they will be across North America. Like I said, any of the Titan Goodyear farm tire dealers can order the product for you, and we can ship it right in.
Okay, anything else you'd like to add?
No, just thank you so much for your time and letting us be a little bit of the spotlight for you, and thank you.
Absolutely, thank you very much.